Ngayon ay maglilinis tayo ng ating kukulas or pandinis. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how I make my own pedicure. First is cleaning. So I apply cuticle remover to loosen the dirt for you to scrub it easily, and that's why I use it. And then I also use the cuticle pusher to remove the dirt. What I did is I do it one by one. So as you can see, marami akong natatanggal. And kasi nga, I was not able to clean my nails for 3 weeks. Then I use this ingrown tunnel clipper to remove my dead skin and the ingrown kasi meron akong ingrown. So nagsisi ako nung nagpalinis ako sa manicurista kasi binunot niya kaya nagkaroon ako ng ingrown at saka ngayon sobrang sakit na. Kaya yung ginagawa ko kasi sobrang sisi ko, ako na lang yung naglilinis ng sarili kong paa tsaka ako na yung nagtatanggal para hindi na maulit-ulit. So yun, so kasi sobrang hirap pag meron kang ingrown sa paa kasi ang sakit, tas mafe-feel mo siya na tumutubo. Minsan hindi ka makapagsapatos. And then I use the pusher again to remove the dead cells. Yan. Kita mo ang dami kasi nga 3 weeks na ako nakapaglinis, guys. Yan. But I enjoy a lot doing this kasi nga pag nakikita ko yung dirt na tatanggal, was so happy, ganyan. At least parang masaya din yung nails ko kasi nakakahinga siya. And then I brush. So after cleaning at saka yung brushing, brush ko yung damit, I add the nail tint para hindi mamaga yung paa ko kasi syempre kakaano mo pa lang eh. And then also para mas maganda din siyang tingnan. Yan. And then this is the moment that I put my pedicure. First is I add the colorless to make it more shiny and have a cleaner look. I really love this this kind of colorless. And then what I did is I just make or decide my own my own design for my feet. So for now I want to have a red and blue combination. Let's see what will it looks like. Well, anyway, it's very pretty. And then I add this nail polish dryer para mas mabilis siyang madry. Yan. You can do this within 5 minutes. And so then another one for last touch, and then I added colorless para mas tingkad siya tingnan. Yan. Super pretty. Ayan. Di ba? Ang ganda, besh. Para kang nagpaano talaga, pedicure. Yan. Let's take a closer look. Oh my gosh, yung aking pa. Ang ganda, besh. Tingnan mo. Oh my gosh. Parang tingnan mo naman yung difference ng una. Ayan. Ready, set, go. Try natin siya sa sandal na may heels. Anong itsura? Char. Yan, oh my gosh. Napaka-social, guys. Tingnan mo. Diba? Sobrang ganda. So, yun lang. Very easy to do.